Easy and simple home decorating wooden crafts that define modern style begin with the understanding that sophistication does not require complexity, large workshops, or expensive machinery, but rather clarity of design, thoughtful execution, and a willingness to see possibility in modest materials. In today's design landscape, modern style is characterized by clean lines, natural textures, and purposeful functionality, and wood, in its warmth and versatility, remains one of the most powerful mediums for achieving this aesthetic. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Crafting wooden decor and small furniture pieces at home can be both personally fulfilling and financially rewarding, offering an accessible pathway to building items that not only beautify living spaces, but also generate income. The simplicity of these projects is precisely what makes them powerful. They rely on strong proportions, smooth finishes, and intentional minimalism rather than elaborate ornamentation. Working with wood at home invites a slower, more mindful approach to decorating, where each piece carries the mark of its maker and the authenticity that modern buyers increasingly crave. A small floating shelf cut from a single plank, sanded smooth and sealed with a natural finish, can redefine a blank wall. A compact side table constructed with straightforward joinery and balanced dimensions can transform a corner into a functional design statement. These projects do not demand advanced technical mastery, but reward patience and precision. By focusing on accurate measurements, clean cuts, and careful sanding, even beginners can produce work that feels refined and contemporary. The beauty of modern wooden crafts lies in restraint. Unnecessary embellishments are replaced with thoughtful details such as softened edges, consistent grain direction, and harmonious proportions. The accessibility of wooden crafting makes it an ideal starting point for those seeking profit opportunities within a limited space. A small garage, balcony workshop, or even a well-ventilated indoor corner can become a creative studio with only essential tools. The emphasis shifts from scale to quality, from producing large volumes to crafting pieces that feel intentional and well-made. Modern consumers value authenticity and sustainability, and handmade wooden decor aligns perfectly with these priorities. When simple wall art panels, plant stands, entryway organizers, or minimalist stools are crafted with care, they stand apart from mass-produced alternatives. The tactile warmth of real wood and the visible grain patterns communicate quality and uniqueness in a way synthetic materials cannot replicate. Building furniture to sell does not require immediate expansion into large, complex designs. Starting with smaller items allows makers to refine their technique while understanding market preferences. Compact coffee tables, bedside stands, modular shelving units, and decorative storage boxes are highly sought after in contemporary homes, particularly in urban settings where space efficiency matters. The key is designing with functionality in mind while maintaining a clean, modern silhouette. Straight lines, balanced symmetry, and subtle contrasts between light and dark finishes create pieces that feel current and versatile. When the craftsmanship is consistent and the finish smooth, even simple designs can command respectable prices. Growing a creative business from wooden crafts involves more than technical skill. It requires developing a recognizable aesthetic and maintaining quality standards. Modern style favors coherence, so creating a collection of pieces that share similar proportions, finishes, or design language strengthens brand identity. For example, a series of matching wall shelves, side tables, and desk organizers crafted from the same wood species and finished with the same natural oil can create a cohesive product line. This visual consistency builds trust with buyers and enhances perceived professionalism. As customers recognize a distinct style, they are more likely to return or recommend the brand to others. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. The profitability of wooden crafts is closely tied to the perceived value of craftsmanship. While the raw materials may be affordable, especially if reclaimed or locally sourced, the transformation process adds worth. Careful sanding eliminates roughness, ensuring a pleasant tactile experience. Even application of protective finishes enhances durability, making pieces suitable for daily use. Attention to detail, such as flush joints and stable construction, reassures buyers that the item will endure. In modern markets where sustainability and longevity are prized, durability becomes a selling point. Customers increasingly prefer investing in fewer, better-made items rather than disposable decor. Passion plays a central role in sustaining this journey. Crafting wood by hand fosters a tangible connection between creator and material, transforming abstract design ideas into physical forms. The rhythm of measuring, cutting, assembling, and finishing creates a sense of accomplishment that extends beyond financial gain. This authenticity translates into the final product. Buyers can sense when a piece has been thoughtfully made. Sharing the story behind each creation, whether through local markets or digital platforms, strengthens emotional resonance. People are drawn to decor that feels meaningful, and wooden crafts often embody a narrative of simplicity, sustainability, and human touch. Modern style thrives on balance, and wooden crafts offer endless opportunities to explore this equilibrium. Combining natural textures with minimalist geometry creates decor that feels both grounded and contemporary. A wooden wall grid for displaying photos, a slim console table with tapered legs, or a stackable crate system for stylish storage exemplifies how simplicity defines elegance. These designs do not overwhelm a space, but enhance it subtly, aligning with the modern preference for uncluttered interiors. By focusing on proportion and finish rather than complexity, makers can achieve results that rival high-end retail offerings. The economic significance of simple wooden crafts in today's market is substantial. As more individuals seek side incomes or creative outlets that can evolve into small businesses, woodworking provides a relatively low barrier entry point. With careful planning, modest investment in tools, and consistent practice, home-based makers can produce decor that competes effectively in local and online marketplaces. The demand for handmade, sustainable products continues to rise, particularly among buyers who prioritize ethical consumption. This cultural shift creates powerful profit opportunities for those willing to combine craftsmanship with thoughtful marketing. Ultimately, easy and simple home decorating wooden crafts define modern style not because they are elaborate, but because they embody clarity, purpose, and authenticity. They prove that beauty can emerge from straightforward forms, that profitability can grow from passion, and that small beginnings can lead to meaningful creative enterprises. Whether crafting for personal enjoyment, furnishing one's own home, or building a business that supplies stylish furniture to others, the journey begins with a single piece of wood and the willingness to shape it with care. In transforming raw timber into functional art, makers discover that simplicity, when guided by intention, becomes a powerful force capable of redefining spaces and generating lasting opportunity. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.